Hey everybody, welcome back to the Maniac. I got this Ultimate Acrylic Kit. It's a pro kit from Young Nails. You guys know I love them. Pretty much use them for any acrylic, hard gel, all that kind of stuff in the salon I work in. So I bought this just a little over $100 on their website. They do not require you to have a license to purchase their products. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you guys what's inside. So right on top, they have included clear and natural nail tips. They do have great nail tips. They don't come super long, but that's okay. I actually don't use the nail tips very often at all anymore because I have started sculpting all my nails. So I don't really worry about that too much. It does come with some files and buffers. So I've got a couple, looks like a 150 grit, a 100 grit file, a 180. Let's see. So there's the 100, the 150 zebra file, which I love these. I buy them by the box full. 180 foam buffer. And then I've got a 180 file and buffer and a 240 file and buffer. So pretty much everything you'll need to do some sets of nails on yourself. And then this is the brush on glue, which is amazing, by the way. And I love that they have brush on instead of like squeeze ones because it just seems to me so much easier to control. So those will go with our tips. They've also given you a protein bond. This actually lasts quite a long time. It's teeny tiny, but you don't really use all that much. And I'll show in a future video when I do some nails to show you guys. They also give you a package of nail forms. So as I mentioned, I don't really use tips. I know a lot of techs still do, which is fine, but I tend to sculpt all my nails now. So you put the form on and you're able to sculpt it out. And again, I'll show you that on a future video. It goes there. And then you get a Young Nails swipe, which is a cleanser that you're going to use before you apply your acrylic. It cleanses and dehydrates the nail, pulls any, helps get all that oil and any contaminants or dust. You get two 6-ounce nail liquids and a sculptor brush. There you go. So this is a size 8 acrylic sculpt. And then a manicure brush. Use that with the swipe so that you can get a nice cleanse on all your nails. And then the acrylic powder that is included, they actually give you 4 different colors and a 45-gram container, which is a pretty decent size. It'll last quite a while. So cover blush we have here is Speed Clear. I don't know why there's nothing on the top. Cover Pink and Speed White. So you get 2 Speed products and 2 Cover products, which is great. Cover Blush is a pale pink with, actually has glitter already in there. Cover Pink is a fantastic pink cover. And then Speed White and Speed Clear. Speed Clear I use all the time. I actually have bigger ones, bigger containers of it in the salon. So I'll put these over here. In addition to that, you get a nice big rose oil container, and it even comes with a dropper if you want to use that. So nice. This smells so good, like roses. Has even a little rose petal inside there hanging out. And then you get a Young Nails Finish Gel, which is their no wipe hard gel top coat. It's fantastic. Now you can't use this over gel polish or natural nails, but over acrylic and hard gel you definitely can. And then they also give you a little bit of fun nail art supplies. So I've got 4 different colors, and this is pre-mixed with acrylic already in there. So it's not just glitter, but it's already pre-mixed with the acrylic, so you can use it straight with the monomer. 4 different colors there: Surprise, Mixer, Pool, and Rave. Really, really pretty. So that's everything you get. It is a great amount of product for only $100, and it really is everything you need to get started. There is nothing that you will need to buy in addition to do sets of nails. You know, you don't have every color in the world, but everything you need is here. You can even do pink and whites with the blush and the speed white, or the cover blush or the pink and the speed white. You can do ombres and all that kind of stuff. So if there's something specific that you want to see, please go ahead and hit me up down in the comments, and I'll be sure to put together some videos for you since we are in quarantine and I can't go anywhere anyway. Please let me know, and I will be happy to take care of that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and make sure you hit the bell for notifications so that you don't miss any upcoming content. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon with some nail videos.